Hello and welcome to White Glove Reviews. In this video, we're taking a look at another Lego Polybag. And this one is Polybag 30368. And this is the City Fire Rescue Water Scooter. Now, if you enjoy this kind of video, please think about subscribing, because my plan is to do one of these a day, every day, for the foreseeable future. And also, I have done one of these a day, every day, for the fairly not so recent past. So we're like in the 150s right now. So there's a decent amount of these if you like this kind of thing. So anyway, if you do happen to like them, think about subscribing. Now, if you're interested in this particular set, there are links in the description where you can find this set on Amazon and on Bricklink. And also, there's a link that'll show you where you can, just like reference-wise, where you can check this out on Brickset. Alright. This is our dude. We'll give him his helmet and his visor. Now, the city stuff has some neat things going for it, I have to admit. Although, I don't know about this one. I kind of like my vehicles more wheeled. But this might look neat in the end. Alright, so here's our dude. He's wearing a life jacket, which is kind of a neat touch. And, we got one of these stupid shooter things. Where's the piece that fits in the shooter thing? Is there? Oh, it's already in there. Huh. That's a change. I guess the shooter thing now comes preloaded. The way these shooter things work, by the way, is you put one of those little pieces in, and this pops up, and then you can shoot it, and, well, I just lost that piece. Anyway, so that's one of the reasons why I'm not a fan of the little shooter things, is just Lego pieces get lost already, and I don't know, I feel like it ups the game on losing your Lego pieces. As I just fired that one off into oblivion. Alright. So let's put together the water scooter. Alright. So that goes like that. And like so. This is actually a relatively long water scooter. Like so. And then this one's going to go in here. And this will go in the back. And so we have these pieces. They're going to be like little water jets, which I'm assuming is what they're for. They're like little, whoops, the little water jet pieces. It kind of looks like a little water jet. Alright. So, for this, like so, and then like so. It's kind of an interesting color tile. I don't know exactly what to do with them, but they are interesting color-wise. Alright, so that's that. And then this one goes here, and this one goes here. That gets us to there. You got that. And then like so. And like so. That goes there. Ooh! Check it out. It's a printed piece. I gotta tell you, if you've seen any number of my videos before, you know I do not like just the generic, I don't like stickers, basically, is my point. I got distracted by trying to figure out where this thing went. But yeah, I don't like stickers on my Legos. And I do happen to like printed pieces, though. So that goes there, that goes there. So we got to there. And this goes like so. And then we're going to have our handlebar. Like that. And our water cannon. Our water cannon that needs to be, this needs to be one back. There we go. And then this goes here. And then the water cannon goes here. Like so. Alright, so there's the water cannon. And that takes care of that. We got our dude riding the little jet ski thing. Like so. And then we have our fire. This is our fire. And our jet ski dude. Not too bad, I guess. Extra piece wise, we get these 2 pieces plus the one translucent blue that I shot somewhere. So, not too bad, I guess. Kind of an interesting little set. Not what I'd call, like, complicated or involved or anything. But, all in all, it's not terrible. I don't know. It's just kind of average, I guess. Not exceptional. Not amazing. But also not bad. Anyway, let me know what you think. And if you've enjoyed this video, please like and subscribe. And I hope y'all have an excellent day.